How is it possible that I have clients, they pay me 4,000 euros per month per client, and I have multiple of those, and I live in Dubai, I have a free life, I'm here in my apartment, I can travel wherever I want, I can do whatever I want, I can stand up, I can wake up whenever I want, and yeah, make 10 to 15,000 euros per month as a video editor, but as an advanced video editor. So I changed a few things. These things I will give you. When I would know these things sooner, I would make 10,000 euros 5 years ago. I started out as a traditional video editor, traditional filmmaker like you, and I was taking gigs, very simple, in my city back in Germany, and taking sometimes 100 euro for one day. I was still in school, and I never heard something about outreach. I never heard about something making my clients more money. I never heard about these terms, but this completely changed my life. So the first shift was going from any video editor and doing whatever work to, hey, I was specifically focused for this kind of niche, and doing then cold outreach. So I was doing cold outreach, and with one Instagram DM, I was making 8,000 euros with one client, one Instagram DM. Obviously, I sent more messages to more people, but I was making 8,000 euros even on one day. Let's say some more days, because I was also editing the footage afterwards, but this was mind-blowing for me. With this money, I also then kicked off my travel towards Dubai, and then I moved to Dubai. But I think I was in school, or it was my last days I was in school, and I was making 8,000 euros. I was making more money than my teacher. This was so mind-blowing for me. So this was kind of the first lesson I got taught from life, to focus on one niche and to make more volume, to get to know more people about your offer and your skill and your value. And the second step I took was, I was not only a video editor kind of anymore when I was here in Dubai and scaling towards 10 to 15,000 euros per month. Focusing on making more money for my clients is the ideal goal. Because when, for example, I give you my knowledge right now and teach you how to make 10,000 or even 5 to 10,000 euros per month, you would pay me 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 euros, when I can make you in the next 3 months 10 times more, for example. So the same thing adapts towards your clients. So where I was focusing on then was taking a module, which is YouTube. So I have a YouTube agency, focusing on YouTube videos and understand how YouTube videos can perform, how YouTube videos get the right eyeballs for my clients and convert these eyeballs into clients, money, revenue. So first I was learning how to edit the videos, then I was learning how to choose the right topics for the videos to get in front of the right eyeballs. Then I teach myself how to build up a funnel which converts a viewer into a lead, and then I teach myself how to turn a lead into a calendar booking. And then I had a system how I make my clients more money. So I'm going away from, yeah, can you do a video for me for 50, 100, 200, 500, 2,000 bucks, even 8,000 bucks, which is a nice number, going towards, hey, let's have a contract, 6 months, 12 months, 4,000 euros per month, and focusing on the value my client is getting. So it's not anymore, hey, this amount of videos, this amount of hours. So when you're still working on the hourly basis, you cannot scale your business. You literally created your own golden jail for yourself, because you cannot pass these amount of hours. So time is the most variable thing. I'm right now looking for a good video editor, for example, which I can implement into my business and which can edit all these videos, because my strategy is more important to get more clients, to make more money for my clients with YouTube. So what I do is I build YouTube channels for businesses, for enterprises, for million-dollar companies, and to make them even more money and getting them clients over YouTube. So I'm building them a YouTube client acquisition system, which books them automatically weekly calls booked into their calendar, so their sales team can close more money, so the whole business makes more money and I take a cut out of it. So I hope this short video got you some ideas or inspired you by something. When you want to know how this works, you can book a call into my calendar. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments box below and I will individually answer them either in my vlogs, because I have some vlogs on my YouTube channel, or I will directly answer them in the comment field below. So yeah, keep hustling and put the hours in, and one day you will see everything worked out for you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.